slowpoke over here today. Taking forever. Are you ready? Let's go. So, down here on one of my favorite creeks. Road's close, so I have to hike down in there a little bit, but it's not too far. The rain and snow, there's still some snow up on top, so looks like the creek's flowing pretty well. Well, got one little guy, so that was fun. I haven't fished or fly fished in 4 or 5 years, so that was a lot of fun. It's kind of refreshing, so we're just kind of hanging out and taking a little break. It's almost noon, so I think we're going to make our way back to the truck, grab some lunch, and then go do some hiking. See if any horns are falling off. Saw, like I said earlier, a whole bunch of elks. Didn't see any horns on them, so who knows? Maybe we go find a horn or two. Go check out one of my spots, and then see what's up. Man, we're really far back here. I don't know how we're gonna get out. So rugged. I don't even know. Woo! Alright, it's lunchtime. So, got a whole bunch of crap from Circle K, to be honest. Try to keep it relatively healthy. Got some Cliff Bars. This looked good. Some beef jerky. It's kind of my new thing. I've been eating a lot of Skittles while hunting now, so. Kind of pick me up, but that's a little for later. Got my Wilderness Athlete. About to pour some of that up, but just got off the river, got back to the truck, put everything away. Only saw one other person down there, but there's like 4 cars, and the car just pulled up, so I'm not sure where they all went. Yeah, so still haven't figured out exactly what we're gonna do. I know I said we're gonna go shed hunt, but we'll see. Nothing yet. Just kind of stomping around, looking at some new country. Never been on this side of the hill, so we're over here. And kind of, this is what we're looking at. Got slowpoke back there. Oh, now she's hurrying up. Nothing. Just kind of walking around, checking out some spots. We're making our way back to the truck now. I think we'll probably end up heading back down to the valley. It's nice to get out here. I'm sure we'll get out here a couple more times. Fishing was a lot of fun this morning, so I'll probably do a lot more of that. Cool. Well, we'll see what next week's next weekend adventure is going to be.